How to turn off Android safe mode. Do you know the answer? If you have no any idea about yet, you can watch this video to get the answer. Method 1. Restart your Android. Press and hold the power button on your mobile phone. Find out the restart option on the screen and tap on it to boot up your phone. Method 2. Soft reset the device. Long press the power button of your phone. Select and click on the power off button from the list on the screen to turn off your device. Wait for a while and then tap and hold the power button to turn it back on. Method 3. Remove the battery and SIM card. Power off your phone and take off the back cover from the device to remove the battery. Remove the SIM card from the card tray. Insert both the SIM card and battery back into your device. Long press the power button to turn your phone on. Method 4. Factory reset Android phone. Open Settings, choose Backup and Reset. If no backup, click Backup. Tap Factory Data Reset. Select Reset Device. Choose Erase Everything to reset to default settings. Method 5. Hard Reset to turn off Android safe mode. Press and hold the power button to turn off your device. Boot the Android device into recovery mode by long pressing the volume down and power button. Use volume up and down button to select wipe data or factory reset option. Click on Yes to confirm your option to erase all the data. When the resetting process completes, select Reboot System option to go back to the normal mode.